Hello guys, it's me here again, Chige Natural Remedies. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. So guys, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to use bitter kola to boost your immune system. Bitter kola and so many other things to boost your immune system. You know what the world is facing today. You know you need to take care of yourself. Prevention is better than cure. So if you want to boost your immune system and look younger than your age, never to be sick any longer, just keep on watching. I'm gonna take you through how to use this bitter kola, this wonderful bitter kola, to boost your immune system and never be sick again. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. But don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Let's get it. We are going to use for this recipe is our bitter kola. If you want to look young forever, prevent any sickness, boost your immune system, just keep on watching. I'm gonna make use of 2 bitter kola for this recipe. You know what the world is facing today? All these diseases, viruses flying all over the world. This is just what we need, just to prevent it. Prevention is better than cure, guys. It's better for you to prevent it than to have it and start taking drugs. Doesn't make any sense. Okay, so guys, I'll start by cutting it just into small pieces. Bitter kola is widely known for its medicinal benefits as the seed, nuts, and have been and still being used to treat various ailments. You can use bitter kola to treat malaria, weight loss, diabetes, prevention from glaucoma. You can use it to treat cold and fever, treat so many things, etc, etc. It has so many benefits. You can use it to boost immune system. I'm trying to show you guys how to use it to boost your immune system. Just keep on watching. So guys, I'll just add it straight to the plate. So guys, the next thing we need is our garlic. So I'm gonna make use of 3 cloves of garlic. Garlic contains compounds with potent medicinal properties. Garlic is highly nutritious but has very few calories. Garlic can fight sickness, including common cold. The active compound in garlic can reduce blood pressure. Garlic improves cholesterol level, which may lower the risk of heart disease. Guys, there is so many benefits in garlic. So I'm gonna wash it, cut it, and add it to the plate. And the next thing we need for this recipe is our ginger. So I'm going to make use of this quantity of ginger. I'll start by peeling off the back of the ginger. Then I'll cut it. I'm going to add all into the blender. Now I'm going to crush it first before I add water to it so that it will just blend very well. Next, I'm going to add a little water before I add the normal water I'm supposed to add, for it to just blend very well. Just little water. I'm going to add a cup of water to blend it very well. I bring my cup. I'll just strain it with my strainer. A little bit water into the blender to raise the blender. So guys, right now I'm gonna set it aside. So the next thing we need for this is our lemon. So I'll just cut the lemon into 2. And I'll just squeeze the lemon. I'm making use of 1 lemon. Please guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Click on the red button down below and turn up your notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Okay guys, so I'm just squeezing the lemon. What I want is the juice, I don't want the fiber. This works so well guys. If you drink this in twice a week, this sickness whatever cannot come close to you. It will make you to just be healthy. So this is it. Right now I'm gonna bring the mixture. Remember guys, this is bitter cola, garlic and ginger. Right now I'm gonna add 1 lemon into it. Just take it very well. This is just what you need to just keep yourself out of all these flying viruses, whatever they call it, diseases. That's just what you need to just keep yourself and your family out of this. When you drink this thing like twice a week, sickness can never come close to you. Honestly, it will make you to look young forever. It will prevent sickness. It will boost your immune system. It will make you to glow. Just give it a try. Like what I said before, prevention is better than cure. Make your own to drink and you will tell bye-bye to sickness forever. So yeah, here comes the end of the video guys. Hope you guys love it. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Please share the video to your friends and family members. Share to your neighbor. That is what we need in this season. Honestly, bye guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.